Oh, hi, would you kindly introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Alexandra Nenadovich, and this is my son Dusan Nenadovich. He's 8.5 years old, and we live in Toronto, Canada.
Okay. What was the reason for contacting Clairvoyant Miracle Man Robert?
There were two or three issues, but the main factor was my son Dusan has a congenital heart defect and has a pacemaker ever since he was a baby. He had it instilled in him when he was not even 5 weeks old.
What did the doctor say regarding Dushan's health issues?
The prognosis is somewhere down the line, once he hits puberty, that more than likely, probably before the age of 30, that he will require a heart transplant. But currently, right now, he's got several conditions, and the one that right now is of issue is that the pacemaker is not allowing him to participate in activities. So what happens is, for example, when he's swimming, his mouth will go blue. He can't sustain his activity. He gets very tired and cranky. He's very anxious. He doesn't sleep well at night. He started to sleepwalk over the last couple of weeks. Yeah, that's okay. So currently he's been back and forth to sick kids, and there's potentially, he has been booked in for a surgery for the beginning of May to resolve the pacemaker issue and have it changed to a new one. Later on, his condition, like I said, there's several problems with his heart. He is what they call in full heart block. He's got pulmonary stenosis. He's got a hole between the two lower ventricles. His heart formed that way. He's got what they call corrected LTGA. But the doctors are very weary that if they change anything now, they don't know what kind of effect, if they change one thing, they correct one of the situations, how that'll affect the other parts of his heart. No, you can't. Don't worry. Right now he's quite healthy, except that, like I said, he doesn't have the energy that he used to.
Okay. Now, what did Clairvoyant Miracle Man Robert suggest and came to conclusion for Dushan?
He told me that there's a lot of negative energy around him, and that if we resolve a lot of the negative energy, and if he does the therapy with the stones, that over the next 2 to 3 weeks we'll see a drastic change in him. But his original scenario was that between the ages of 8 and 11 will be very detrimental to him, and that that he would have to have open heart surgery to resolve his issues.
What? You're fixing all my issues?
Don't worry. Okay, don't worry.
Why won't you even tell me?
How did you feel after contacting Clairvoyant Miracle Man Robert?
I was more hopeful. I was relieved that there was help naturally versus having to go through surgical procedures. Like I said, I would try anything for him that would help him naturally. Like I said, he has anxiety attacks, panic attacks. He hasn't been sleeping well. So it's just helping me and just putting us at peace.
Okay.
Dushan, it's okay.
Why were you down? You're not doing anything.
You can talk in a minute.
Thank you very much for this interview, and we'll see you in 1 month. Okay.